your $11.50 per day is over the 5,000. So your entire cruise is going to be deductible. Hi, I'm Kathy Cregan CPA with Tax Magic Podcast. I've been a CPA for a long time, probably longer than most of you are old, to be honest. But what I'm going to try to do today is give you a little bit of insight on being able to deduct a cruise and some general tips on travel. When you travel the day before you work, that's going to be a travel work day. Even if it's a Friday and you work on Monday, your travel day's deductible, which makes Saturday, Sunday deductible as well, because Monday is a business trip deductible item. So when you travel for a cruise, basically it's subject to rules that have to do with water transportation. They have limits on it and they change every year. So be sure to check what the new rules are every time you decide to take a business cruise. You have to have personal, well, you don't have to have personal days, but they may classify some as personal because you're outside of the US. You can have a mixed use travel. If you are in the US, there's no mixed use. It's all or nothing. Your water limits for luxury travel, so to speak, means that you're going to be limited on the amount that you can pay every day. So let's say let me look at the amount here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 6 different time periods for cruises, not just 2 like our per diems. So let's pick the highest here. January 1st to March 31st. In 2025, you could deduct $1,150 per day per person for cruise ship travel. Can't exceed that. And by the way, since food is included in the $11.50 per day and your bill on the ship, it's 100% deductible, up to $11.50 per day. So let's say you're on a 5-day cruise and it costs you $5,000 for that 5-day cruise. You get a luxury suite. And there's 4 of you in it, it's $20,000. You're the only one that paid your part. So it's your $11.50 per day is over the 5,000. So your entire cruise is going to be deductible. Now, they adjust these what seemingly every month, but they're not supposed to. But they do. So basically, you're going to accumulate the amount of money for the cruise. But then you break it down in the number of days you're there. And let's say all 5 are now travel. They meet the travel requirement. Your 6th day when you get off the ship to travel home is also deductible because it's related to the business portion. Now, if you're out of the country and you don't work one of those days, then it's not going to be a full deductible, 5,000 at that point. You're going to have to take one of the days off. Now, they do not separate any of your meal expenses. If they do, you have to separate them out. So I suggest traveling in a suite where it's all included and they don't break anything out, not drinks, not food. Okay, your gratuities are broken out, but that's okay because they're extra. So remember, if you're going to do cruise travel, make sure you're under the threshold for the period of time. When you book a cruise, you may not know what it's going to be. So you may lose a little bit. But hey, I'd rather lose a little bit than not go at all. That's my theory. So we want to make sure that you're going to get the most for every dollar you spend. Make sure when you're doing this that you send me a comment in the below, and I'll put you on a list so that you get notified, or you email me and I'll let you know what they are. Dr. Google probably knows too. So you can probably Dr. Google it. But so that you know, so that I know, so that you teach me, hit the like button if you like the content. If you want more items like this, like it. Comment. If you put comments in the comments section, I read them and respond to all of them. And subscribe so that you don't miss anything. There is a ton of content in the IRS tax code all by itself. I'm trying to simplify it so those of us who aren't lawyers can understand it as well. So make sure that you like it, you comment, and you subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. We'll cover something way more fun, probably. I don't know. But give a like, put some content, tell me what you want to hear.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional advice of any kind. Always consult with your tax professional. Be sure to read this full disclosure. Listener discretion is advised.